What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna show you guys my amazing scalping strategy that allows me to make profits within minutes. And today I caught a trade within 2 minutes, TP2, $500+. Man, I want to show you guys what it looks like. This strategy is none like any other. And listen, this is the strategy you need to be profitable in 2025. But without further ado, let's hit the charts so I can show you more. Let's go.
Okay, Versace smell goods. Okay, okay. Versace smell goods. Okay.
When are you home from work too, big dog? What's up?
Everyone's home from work.
No, that's not fucking true. That's excuse me. That's not flipping true.
No, yeah, everybody ain't home from work.
No.
People that are home from work are like government.
Only people home from work is us.
No, wait. I got work today. I got work today.
JV off for 2 weeks. That's why I know people are never
Go back to 6, man. It's all paid though, so that's great.
Yeah, it's a lot of people that's off shit. My mom's off for like the
I
next.
can tell by outside.
I'll take this trade if I see it start. If it closes like this.
You work at a restaurant though, Cal. Yeah, I would hope.
Damn.
Close, we cook.
I think I work later tonight.
I can't survive. Like the one thing with Florida, all the restaurants are opening again yesterday. Like we can't go days without food. Like I got food from yesterday that was cooked from family, but after that, bro, eat food. Can't cook.
What open yesterday?
I'll take this setup right here.
So what, JB?
Lucky I work all holidays, but halftime and work middays, midnight, so it's perfect. Let's see if it's a fast L, y'all. Let's see.
What you looking for?
What are you on right now?
Shorts. Let's see. Oh, let me put 10 minutes on the clock. It only take 10 minutes for me to know. Oh, it looked like it's gonna take less than that. Hopefully, wait. Let's see. Can I put a timer on the screen? Matter of fact, I'm gonna just put it on my phone.
Yeah, let's put the next in the set.
I'm gonna see if I'm getting shorts on 30. Is that what you said?
Hey, don't do what I'm doing.
No.
I don't want you to get cooked.
I don't want you to get cooked.
I'd rather get cooked by myself. No worries. 9 minutes on the timer.
Nowadays, I don't take the trade. There's somebody that's gonna be watching. Fuck it. Take a drone. Take a drone discretion.
9 minutes on the timer. Let's see.
I'll give you a slide for listening to Glorilla since you're a producer. So you probably like music. But besides that,
Wait, what's wrong with her?
I don't like her songs like that,
Oh,
bro.
hold on. TP1?
Yeah, I try to listen to everything, so.
I try to too. Like I listen to country, but there's like certain rap female songs. It's just like, alright, it doesn't feel right. You know what I mean? You know when it feels like authentic, just you. It feels weird.
Yeah.
Let's see. TP1. Possible.
Dudes is into Glorilla, like for real.
I like Glorilla. What's wrong with y'all?
It's even weirder, bro, when you realize it's probably weirder when you realize this guy is probably behind the scenes writing lyrics too.
Okay, TP1 hit. Stops the break even.
But I mean,
Bro, look at that. 2 minutes, bro. 2 minutes TP1 hit.
As an artist, you respect her, right?
Oh, your TP just hit?
TP1 hit.
I think she go hard. You know, she's true to her brand and her craft. So.
I like her. There ain't nothing wrong with Glorilla. I like her. Hold on, we gonna get TP to hit? Hold on. Listen, look at that. Less than 2 minutes, big dog. Less than 2 minutes. 2. Salute. Come on now. We eat. Less than 2 minutes.
At least you gonna be trade for today's
That's
video.
it. I'm done. Cleaned up. I'm good. I should have did this on the live account so I could have pulled out today. I did it. It's all good though. Wait, yo, look at that. TP3. Salute. How much did that make today? $501, man. We gotta appreciate a fast W, man. For sure.
And that's how I would expect 30 to look.
Look at that. 3 minutes TP3. Come on, we making a video out of this. Right. Immediately. Making a video out of this.
Let's go.
Hey, YouTube, this is for you. let's get right into the breakdown. But before we do, look at this beautiful trade. Obviously, you guys are gonna get to this point once I finish the video. You'll see how TP3 was hit within 3 minutes, bro. Listen, I made $500 today, but I could have made $750, right? If I made it go an extra TP above, I could have cost $750, but it's fine. 3 minutes. I want to show you guys, man. It's so simple, right? All of my trades really last less than 10 minutes. But without further, let me stop yapping. Let's get right to the 1 hour charts, and then we're gonna do the bar replay tool, get rid of all the chart markups, and then we'll show you guys how to do this thing like I do. Let's catch these beautiful setups like I do. You guys want to make money in minutes. I know. You guys don't have a lot of time. I know. I want to show you guys how to do it in less time. You don't have to spend a lot of time around the charts. I spend like an hour and a half around the charts every day. Walk away with money or not. But I don't spend a lot of time around the charts. I'll tell you that much. And here's the strategy to do just what I'm telling you. So let's get rid of all of the drawings on the charts. And let's start from the 1 hour time frame. We already bar replay tool. This is what it looked like when I jumped around the charts today, right? So I'm identifying areas of interest, structure, basically the same thing. How do I identify areas of interest? First things first, I need to identify structure. So where do I see structure, right? If you don't understand what structure is lower highs, lower lows, higher lows. That's pretty much all it is. It doesn't get any more complicated than that. Lower highs, lower lows, higher lows. Simple as that. I'm going to show you what structure look like on this downtrend, and I'll show you what the uptrend of that look like. So we got low, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. I'm not drawing it super perfect, so please forgive me if I'm doing nasty. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. That's structure, downtrending structure, right? Self-explanatory. It's really simple. Not too hard. If you don't know the basic of structure, please look at my other videos. I do go into great detail. I have lots of content to help you out, but I'm not gonna really go straight. I'm not gonna go crazy into the structure videos. Not on this one. I want to show you guys the meat. I want to show you guys the meat and the sauce with the structure. Pause. Anyway, right now, what I identified as the structure for the day that I'm coming into, I identified bullish structure. Why? Look. We got this low, we got this high. A new low was created, and then a new high was created. It's pretty simple. I hope you're getting it. If you already understand the basics, this is just for people who don't understand. Again, I have more content. Just go check it out. Anyway, so how do I now draw my areas of interest? So on the 1 hour structure, 1 hour time frame, I draw my areas of interest with the purple boxes that I'm going to show you right now. But let me draw first, and I'm going to give you the analogy. So I usually use the wicks of the top of the candle, the candle that went the highest, right? The candle that created the structure high, that's the wick that I use, right? So basically what I showed you, what the structure, we have this wick right here. And I'm going to make this box purple, and the boxes simultaneously after that purple. And we want to be precise with these boxes that we're drawing. We want to be super precise. You feel me? We got this, boom. We got this, boom. This is, we got to be, it's all about precision. You feel me? All about precision. So we got this low down here. I'm going to draw structure right here. That's another area of structure. And then we have another structure point down here for the wicks. Boom. Look how much structure points. This is all I really seen on a 1 hour time frame. Let's drop down to the 15-minute time frame. Then I'm going to tell you what the analogy that I always share in my videos, that hopefully it could put 2 and 2 together for you, right? So I seen a couple. Basically what I did on a 1 hour time frame is the same thing I'm going to do on the 15-minute time frame. Just going to draw a structure. Boom. You got this low. You got this high right here. Low, high, low, high, right? That's pretty much all I seen as far as structure. So I'm going to just draw it out real quick. We got this low. I'm going to draw it out, but I'm going to make these the 15-minute areas of interest. I'm going to make them orange. Boom, we got this low right here. We got this high right here. And we got this low right here. So this is all I seen pretty much on the 15-minute time frame. I didn't see much other structure that I thought was important to draw out. And the only two time frames that I really mark up for structure or areas of interest is the 1 hour and the 15-minute time frame. Then I just jump down to the 1 minute time frame. So here's the analogy. If you want to see a professional fight, if you want to see professional boxers fight, professional UFC fights, you're not going to go to Wendy's to find them fighting. You're going to go to an arena, a boxing gym, a boxing club, a UFC club, MMA club, a fight club in general. That's where usually the pro athletes who like to fight, who are professional combat fighters, that's where they're usually located. That's where they're fighting. So these purple and orange boxes signify the areas of the fighters where the fighters are located, right? You're going to go to these arenas, boxing gyms, fight night clubs, whatever. These are where they're located, in these areas, right? We're not going to play within the middle of these areas. Why? Because that's McDonald's. That's Wendy's. That's where that's located. That's in between these areas of interest. It's Wendy's, McDonald's. We don't want fast food. We want to fight. We want to see where the professionals are fighting. We don't want fast food. We want to see a fight. So if I get in any trade, it has to be from an arena. It has to get to an arena, a fight club, a UFC fight night, whatever, wherever the professionals fight at. It has to be there. Boxing gym, it has to be there first. And then I'm going to look for who's winning the fight. Then I'll put my money up on who I think is going to win. That's it. That the analogy is simple. It's not hard. But now when I show you on the 1 minute, let's put 2 and 2 together. You feel me? So boom. Let's drop down to the 1 minute time frame, right? I only trade after 9:30. So think about it as this. The fight starts at 9:30. And we're only going to place bets after 9:30 because that's when the fight starts. And we're only going to place bets within the arena. So time and place. Time and price. Time and place. Basically, price is the place. Time is the time. It's simple, right? So now let's fast forward the clips a little bit until we get to about 9:30. Let's go fast forward, fast forward, fast forward, fast forward, fast forward. Let's see, 9:30. Yoop. This is the 9:30 candle. So that's 9:30. Now we're in the time where fights happen, right? The fights start around this time. Is a fight happening right now? No. Why do we know that? Because it didn't hit my area of interest. It didn't get into the arena. It's not in the boxing gym. It's not in the fight night club. It's not there yet. Only when it gets there will I put money up on who I think is going to win. So, we didn't get there. We didn't get there. We didn't get there. We didn't get there. We're still not there. Still not there. Still not there. Still not there. Today was a little waiting game. I get it. I had to wait a little bit. And then what happened? Let's go back one candle. Then what happened? Boom. We are now, the fight has begun. Now we're in the arena. The fight has begun. It's past 9:30. We're in the arena. Now let's look for a fight. So up here, I'm already looking for fights. I'm already looking for the buyers or the sellers to win the fight over the buyers. So there's only 2 fighters ever in the market. Buyers and sellers. There's no other people that's in the market. Sure, you could be spectating, you could be on the side waiting, you could be holding a trade, whatever. But you're either a buyer or a seller. There's no in between. You're either a buyer or a seller. That's it. So as price comes within this area up here, now what am I waiting for me to take this trade? So how do I know who's winning in the fight, right? So we had this bullish candle come into the arena where I know this arena up here, there's a lot of sellers up here, right? This is the arena where the sellers are located, right? How do I know that though? How do I know that, right? We drew this purple area of interest for a reason. On the 1 hour time frame, let's go there. It's going to show us more, but on the 1 hour time frame, what happened the last time price came this high? When price came this high the last time, what happened? What happened? Price fell down. It went up here. Boom. Price came up here, dropped. Now price came back up here. We can probably expect another drop. You can see, yet the day before, price came up here. It dropped again. We had a small little drop. Now we coming back up in here again in New York session, right when it's fight night time. What do we expect? Another drop. Hey, it's not too complicated. It's not too you just gotta put 2 and 2 together. It's not too complicated. So let's drop down back to the 1 minute time frame, right? On the 1 minute time frame, how do we know if the sellers start to win? Because we already know the sellers went up there the last 2 times. Because the last 2 times when it went up there on the 1 hour time frame, it reversed. We know that. We seen that, right? So now we're on the 1 minute time frame. How do we know that the sellers are in control? So I'm going to show you how we know. I'm going to put a line right here underneath the base of this candle. So if you don't know anything about the Candlestick Bible, it's going to show you a lot about understanding the anatomy of candlesticks. I'm not really going to get too much into that right now, but just understand, if we can get a candle to close underneath the open of this last bullish candle, that means that the sellers are now in control. Why? Because we have multiple confluences. Number one confluence, it touched the arena. Second, it's after 9:30, so price, time. Third, we have now confirmation that the sellers have now taken over, because we went up into the area of interest, right? The buyers took it up into the area of interest. The sellers are here. Now they're fighting to take price back down. If they could close underneath here, all I'm waiting for is price to come back and retest, and I'm going to take it lower. I'm going to get in on the retest of price. That's it. It's a simple concept. I promise you, super simple. And in the live, you've seen it. It was super simple. 3 minutes, TP3. I call TP2, but 3 minutes, TP3. So let's do it. Let's do it for you guys. Now let's do it. Let's actually do it. So let's fast forward to the next clip. Boom. What is that? A fat bearish engulfing candle. What does that signify? The sellers have taken over. They're fighting. Once price got to that arena, boom, punch the buyers in the face. Boom, we taking this over. We want this. We want you can't go no higher than this. We taking over right now. So what am I doing? Setting up my trade. Stop loss is above the high of that candle, and entry is at the base of where I know that the buyers, the sellers has now taken over. It's simple. I promise. Super simple. So now let's do the colors so we can signify. We can see what's happening, right? Boom. The next, let's just put it to TP3, but we didn't catch TP3. We call it TP2. But let's signify the next candle, right? Boom. Next candle, boom, it tapped us in. It came back and retested, right? The sellers wanted another chance. So we got the retest we're looking for. Obviously, we could have got stopped out on the retest. It could have just stopped out 1 minute. That's the risk that you have to take. Trading is risky. But also, you would have been stopped out quick. It's cool. I like to be stopped out quick. I like trades that are fast. I'm a scalper now primarily, so I like to be stopped out. I like things to happen a lot quicker. If you're like that, if you're very impatient, if you have the same tolerance as I do, then this is perfect for you, right? So price goes up. We got the retest, right? It could have stopped me out. I was pushing stop loss really tight. I think I was risking about 250 on this. I was probably negative 200 on this one. I was cool. You know, you seen in the live chat. You seen in the live call. Like, I was chill because I'm okay with the loss that I took. I'm okay if it took the loss. Like, stop loss got hit, because I'm okay with the risk that I'm placing. I never put too much risk that I'm not okay with, because I understand within 10 minutes I'm gonna get either stop loss or take profit. So let's hit the next candle. Look at the next candle. That's 1 minute later. So we got it tapped in right here. 9:51, 9:52. So that's only 2 minutes in. Look at the next candle. 9:53. 3 minutes. It really is less than that, but 3 minutes. TP2. So it really is 4 minutes TP3, but it's kind of 3 minutes, because when price is live, you'll see it's right before the candle closed. So 4 minutes TP3. So 3 minutes TP2. You're seeing it right here. This is the exact trade I caught, and I showed you guys what the live trade looked like. I showed you guys what I did, the setup, everything. This was live in front of 80 plus people in our VIP. If you want to be a part of the membership, just join. It's in the link in the description. I catch trades like this all the time. Me and my guy Andre, we catch trades like this all the time. Well, he doesn't trade the exact same way I trade, but we trade similar. Look at that. Boom. One more candle. Boom. TB3. Listen, I know it seems it could go over your head, but it's so simple. Just watch the video over. I try to explain it as best as I can. But if you don't understand, there's other content that I create that explains the very minute details in better sequence, better ordered, right? Look at that. TB3. Like, can you be mad at that? $500 in 2 minutes, in 3 minutes? Can you be mad at that? Yeah, I waited until 9:51 to get tapped in. So let's call it from 9:30 to 9:51. I waited 20 minutes, 21 minutes. But from 9:51 to 9:54, $500, really? You made $500 in less than an hour. Come on now. Let's be for real. But if you liked anything from this video, please leave a like and subscribe down below. I know this video is going to make you pass multiple accounts, get multiple payouts, be bigger and better than you ever been, because I know it's doing that for me. And I just wanted to share this with you guys. I want to give you guys value as much as possible. So if you like anything, leave a like and subscribe down below. All I ask, just subscribe. You don't even gotta like it. Just subscribe, bro. Appreciate you guys. Till next time. Peace.